Domingo nga bisan gali makahatag ra kag usa ka basong tubig sa lagad sa Ginoo. Grabe ang panalangin. Kung sa pagka ato silang giamuma, ato silang giatiman mga igsoon niya ipakaon buta sa pulong sa Ginoo nga libre person. So dito na sa gabi mo doon na may halal awit mga igsoon para sa Ginoo o agi o pagpasalamat usab sa lagad sa Dios o ni Brother Leo. Grabe ang ilang support sa natin.
Sometimes it's hard for me to understand when you fall away from each other so easily, even though we're all disagreeing, we'll build dividing walls between our brothers and ourselves. But I don't care whether we win. If you believe in Jesus, you alone will be the one we share. So I see don't see. So take me by the hands. Together we will walk until the end. There's no fool that can defeat us. We will walk side by side. As long as there's love, we will stand. You're my brother, so take me by the hand. Together we will work until the end. There's no good that can defeat us. We will walk side by side. As long as there's love, we will stand. Take me by the hand. Together we will run till the end. There's no good that can defeat us. We will walk side by side. As long as there's love, we will stand. As long as there's love, we was there.
Akong gagyo Brother Leo ang mga Ray Professor Naimi.